To use the Experian app, start by downloading and installing it from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign In to create an account or log in if you already have one. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and social security number to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, you will have access to your credit report and score. The Experian app provides a free credit report and score, which is updated every 30 days. You can view your credit report to see your credit history, including accounts, inquiries, and payments. Your credit score is also displayed, along with a breakdown of the factors that affect it. To monitor your credit, navigate to the credit monitoring section of the app. Here, you can set up alerts to notify you of any changes to your credit report, such as new accounts or inquiries. You can also view your credit utilization ratio, which shows how much of your available credit is being used. Another key feature of the Experian app is the credit score simulator. This tool allows you to see how different actions, such as paying off debt or opening a new credit account, may affect your credit score. You can also use the app to dispute any errors on your credit report by navigating to the Disputes section and following the prompts. In addition to credit monitoring and reporting, the Experian app also provides identity theft protection. This includes features such as dark web surveillance and identity theft insurance. To access these features, navigate to the Identity Protection section of the app and follow the prompts to set up your protection. To get the most out of the Experian app, make sure to check your credit report and score regularly. Set up alerts to monitor your credit, and use the credit score simulator to make informed decisions about your credit. By following these best practices, you can use the Experian app to take control of your credit and protect your identity.